It's my birthday, so my daughter made me Japanese souffle pancakes. Look at this. Mmm. All right, let's try it. Ooh. Oh. It's so fluffy, looks so delicious. Has whipped cream and syrup on it. All right. Ooh. Mmm.